me and Dave just did a whole drumming video, and Dave shut the camera off as he leaned the camera against the rock.
Yep, we got 14 minutes of it in, and then we set it up.
Dave, go down here and do some chin-ups. You're getting a little stiff.
All right, Jim, we're going down here to do some chin-ups. Right there. Right back. It's raining lightly now. We did a whole drumming video, chanting and everything, and leaned against the rock and shut the camera off. Let's do some chin-ups. Hopefully the camera won't get wet. Let me set it up. I'll be right back. It's gonna have to be a quick one because it's raining. I covered the hat with the camera. Oh, this is frozen. It's got ice on it. I gotta be careful. These are froze. It's 31 degrees or something. Hold on. I'm not kidding. There's ice on here. Some deer. Let's catch the deer. There's the deer. Turn it around. Where'd they go? There they are. Right by my car. Check it out. What the heck? They're waiting for me. Let me see if I can do 2 more. I'm gonna turn it around. It's without rest. Right after the deer. Let's see. I got all my heavy gear on too. Boots, riders. Do this with a wider grip. See if I can get to. Can't slip. Nobody to. It's slippery. It's froze. It really is froze. That's enough. Now, when you can't do another full one, you got to do the shorties. Oh, this is froze. The water is froze. Under grip. I'm grabbing onto ice droplets. Well, that makes up for the lost drumming video. Let's head back. Well, they have a nice spot here. I gotta go.
Dave, while you're at it, you might as well get a shot of these cell towers here. They're ridiculous.
Look at that. He was going in between 32 and 33. Let's get a shot. Look at that, folks. Huge cell towers. I'm like, jeez.
Drive over and get a closer look, Dave.
We gotta get home, man. We gotta get home.
Alright, let's get back. Miss Lovey's waiting for us.
Alright, one more shot. One more shot. Come on, light. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah.